Want to create stunning content with AI? In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's powerful AI tools, completely free. Let's jump in. First, go to canva.com and sign in or create a free account. I already possess an account. Now, click Apps on the left panel and search for Canva AI. This is where the magic happens. Need blog ideas, captions, or scripts like this one? Use Design for Me, Canva AI text tool. Just type a prompt and boom, content in seconds. Want original visuals or images? Create an image. Type what you imagine, like sunset in space, and Canva generates it instantly. If you're working on documents, now click on Draft a Doc. Just write a document's type permission letter in Word file. And Canva generates it instantly. Now use those AI tools in any design, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, videos, all free inside Canva. That's how easy it is to use Canva's AI tools for free. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tips and tools. Link to Canva is in the description. See you in the next one.